Okay, so hi students, I'm going to show you in this video how to order your lab kits. So you guys have this online, how to buy your lab kit. And when you click into there, I have a message on how to do that along with some screenshots that you can look at. So there's two different ways for you to get the identical lab kit. One way is using your own money or using financial aid from the school. If you're using financial aid, you will have to purchase through the bookstore, and the lab kit is around $135. Below is a list of all of the labs that you will have to buy for the class. The other option is that if you plan ahead, you can buy directly from the vendor. The vendor is Science Takeout, which is sciencetakeout.com/shop or just Science Takeout. And what you're going to do here is you are going to look up each of the labs that I have listed here. I'm just going to copy the item number because that's easy. And I'm going to put it here in the search, and it is going to bring up a case of skin cancer and a bundle. You don't need the bundle. And I'm going to just verify the name, a case of skin cancer, and that is the correct one. And I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to add it to my cart. Then I'm going to do that for all the labs at once. So you're going to add all 6 of these labs, and then you're going to go to um, the cart. So I'm going to go over to view cart once I've added all 6 and they're right here. Then I'm going to make sure that each of them is there, like cross check it, and I'm going to proceed to the checkout. When I go to the checkout, you're going to put in your own billing information. To purchase this way direct from the vendor is about $40 cheaper, but you do have to plan ahead. There's been a lot of shipping delays, and a lot of the postage is taking a lot longer than usual under these conditions. So please plan ahead at least 2 weeks. However, I want you to cut and paste this statement that you're a student. So I'm going to command C to copy that. The vendor has committed that they will uh, verify that you have the right kits and make sure that they're not paying for expedited shipping, but they'll try to make sure that your order goes out faster than usual based on our circumstance. So then in the order notes, after you have filled out your own billing information, in the order notes, make sure you cut and paste this statement. Student at Crafton Hills College, please verify that I'm getting the correct labs and ship these ASAP. That will remind the warehouse that you are a student and you need these within a few weeks before we start using these. Generally, I start using the lab kits about the 5th lab, which in the condensed class is at the start of the 3rd week. So you really need to make sure that you get this ASAP. So then after you place in your own information, you are going to place your order to buy those kits.